Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa, and if you're new, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my nighttime skincare routine. And all of these products you can find at your local Sephora or on the brand's website. So without further ado, we'll get right into the video. For the first product, I go ahead and cleanse my face. Well, usually I double cleanse with the Boscia Makeup Breakup Cleanser if I do have makeup on. But if not, then I just go ahead and go in with my regular foaming cleanser. And that cleanser is going to be the Kate Somerville Eradicate Daily Cleanser. I really like this cleanser. I used to use the Boscia one, the black charcoal, but I just switched over to this one because I feel this one prevents me from breaking out since I do wear a lot of makeup. So with this cleanser, and I'm just reading off the computer, so if I'm looking down, then that's why. So the benefits of this is that it removes impurities and leaves skin feeling cleaner, smoother, and softer, which I do agree with. This cleanser retails for $36 at Sephora or on the brand website, like I said earlier in the intro. For my next step, which is this treatment, I'm using the Ole Henriksen I can't pronounce this, Invigorating Night Transformation Gel. And this has AHAs in it, which is going to help with resurfacing of the skin. So I use this and I have noticed a difference with it. It just does tingle a little bit when you put it on, but it goes away after like 5 seconds. And this is what I use to treat my skin at night. So this gel claims to even skin tone, smooth texture, brighten, and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. And then with this, I kind of just put a couple dots, 4 dots on my face, and I just spread it throughout and work that into my skin. And then this gel's gonna retail for $48. And the next product I'm gonna be talking about is the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warrior. It's a 2-in-1 plumping moisturizer and serum. And with this, I also just apply a couple of dots on my face and go ahead and smooth that out and really work it into the skin. So here it says this is Kate's secret weapon to wrinkles, and it focuses on 3 major areas where we get wrinkles, which is crow's feet, deep lines, and fine lines. It also claims to improve the skin's firmness and elasticity and instantly plumps and hydrates the skin. I agree with all of those things. When you apply this to your face, it's really soft, and it says here it's kind of like a satin finish, which is what I agree with. And for the plumping, I wouldn't say instantly. I would say probably after 30 minutes is when you notice a real difference. And this retails for $95. The second and last product I'm going to be talking about is the Ole Henriksen Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. And I use this obviously to moisturize. So this is an oil-free moisturizer which is rich in antioxidants, and it weightlessly hydrates even skin tone and smooths out your texture for a healthy looking complexion, which I do agree with. I have used better moisturizers than this just because I like a more creamier, softer, more hydrating kind of moisturizer because I do have really dry skin. So this I just use in pair with the gel, which I feel works really well together, and I still really like this moisturizer. But so far with these two together, I really like the combination and what it's been doing to my skin. So I keep this in my nighttime skincare routine, and if needed, I add an additional moisturizer just to really hydrate. The last product I'll be talking about is going to be the Pharmacy Eye Do Total Eye Cream. This is just a little sample I got not too long ago. I used to use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Cream, but I just ran out of that one. So I've been substituting my eye cream for this, and I have really good things to say about it. It's pretty soft, and it's just pretty much like any other eye cream. I haven't noticed a big difference. I haven't been using it for so long either, but I usually do an eye cream, and if I have it, I'll use the IT Cosmetics one like I said, but for now I'm just using this one. And if you are interested in using this one, it does retail full size for $38 at Sephora. And those are all the products I use for my nighttime skincare routine. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you guys have any suggestions for me, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.